vending machine, keys. They're either really easy or really hard. Let's try the other one real fast. We're doing 2 of them over here. See? That was easy. Why is it not opening? Lock that down. The other one went a lot smoother, kind of. It was like stuck because the door was stuck. Well, we gotta get this one open. There we go. All right, that one's open. I'm gonna put a couple new locks on. I got 2 of the same ones, so they'll be the same key, which is what they want. There's the button you press in. Oh, I lost the keys. Okay, that's done. Let's go put this one on. Okay, you want to make sure that this lines up, which obviously it doesn't, so we're gonna straighten it out. There you go. That's locked and unlocked.